doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. Well, the doors on the bus go open and shut all through the town. Oh, the driver on the bus says, please move back, please move back, please move back. The driver on the bus says, please move back all through the town.
Where's your windshield wipers?
Well, the wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. Well, the wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish all through the town. Well, the horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. Well, the horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep all through the town.
What happened?
Well, the muffler on the bus goes boom, boom, boom. Well, the muffler on the bus goes all through the town.
Jalen, what happened?
You know what happens when we hit a big bump in the road, man? We go way up into the air. Here we go. Well, the people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. Well, the people on the bus.
Slowly rise to the sky.
Oh my goodness, okay.
Every scarf taking flight.
Where's Taylor? Where's Courtney? Oh, there they are. Who's going to ball it up? Ready? Ball it up. Jalen, you ready? Here we go, Maya. Let's do it again. Ball it up in your hand. Let's count. 1. What? What comes after 1? 2. 3.
Your beanbag.
Shake everybody.
Come on, shake your beanbag.
Shake
Shake your beanbag. Don't let it drop.
Ready?
The beanbag rock. Hold the beanbag on your head. Hold the beanbag on your knees.
On your knees.
Hold the beanbag on your tummy. Let's wiggle around.
Whoa, let's hold it down.
Hold the beanbag. Wiggle low.
Hold it high.
The end and don't let it go.
Now shake it up.
Shake and wiggle. You're doing the beanbag.
Look at that. Look at that
Shake
shaking
your
jumping.
beanbag.
Oh my goodness.
Shake your beanbag. Everybody come on, shake your beanbag. Shake the beanbag, don't let it drop. So do the beanbag rock. Hold the beanbag on your elbow. Hold the beanbag on your toes. Hold